welcome kids. My name is Shivani and you'll be studying mathematics with me. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, the first chapter we'll be starting with is real numbers. Okay, we'll be starting with real numbers. Now, can you tell me what is the first thing that comes to your mind when we talk about numbers? What is the most basic application of numbers? The most basic application of numbers is counting. Excellent, counting. So how do we start counting? 1, 2, 3, so on, right? So what are these counting numbers known as? Natural numbers. They're known as natural numbers. Now if we add the single greatest invention to these numbers, which is 0, if we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, what does it become? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This set is known as whole numbers. It is known as whole numbers. Now we have positive numbers, we have a 0. What if we add negative numbers to this set? What if we add negative numbers to this set? -1, -2, -3, ये बनते हैं integers. These become integers. Now let's take these integers onto the next level. Let's take these integers onto the next level and form something called as fractions. As you can see on the screen, if you take a closer look at these fractions, observe the numerators. What are these numerators? They are integers. What about the denominators? They also are integers, but a little twist, they are non-zero integers. Denominators cannot be 0, so they are non-zero integers. Okay, this becomes ratio of integers. What is ratio of integers? What does these number become? Rational numbers. Excellent. Now, rational numbers. Now this term ratio of integers is a basically nude coin term, but what do you know them from? They are P upon Q format. P upon Q format, where P and Q are both integers, but Q is not equal to 0, right? We know this already. Now let's try and take decimals of this part. Now decimals मतलब क्या होता है? Let's take a quick example. Let's take a quick example. Say for example, I have 3 upon 4. Is this a rational number? How do you identify if it is a rational number or not? Check the numerator and the denominator. Check the numerator and the denominator. Integer and a non-zero integer. So this is a rational number. Let's carry on the division. Let's carry on the division. 3 divided by 4. Now 3 is smaller than 4. 3 is smaller than 4. So what do we do? एक 0 add किया and a decimal is included here. So 7s are 28. Again 0. 5s are 20. And the remainder is 0. ये हुआ हमारा division, right? So we get 3 by 4 as 0.75. What are we trying to prove here? We are trying to prove here that our division is ending somewhere. Our division is ending somewhere because we got a 0 in the remainder, right? And we have this as our decimal. 3 upon 4 in the decimal format is 0.75. ये खत्म हो रहा है. It is ending somewhere. So such type of decimals are known as terminating. They are known as terminating. यहाँ तक ठीक है? Will you all remember this? Excellent. Let's take one more example. Now that example is 2 upon 3. Again a rational number? Yes, a rational number. अभी इसको divide करके देखो. 2 is less than 3. Okay, so फिर से the same drill. 6 are 18. Answer आएगा 2. Again a 0. 6 are 18. Again 2. Now observe this. This remainder 2 is not going away. It is not going away. This will continue. कहाँ तक continue होगा? It will go on. You don't know where this ends. You do not know where this ends. Okay, so such type of decimals which have no definite end and a particular digit or a group of digits is repeating, then what does it become? It becomes a non-terminating and recurring type of decimal. It becomes a non-terminating and recurring type of decimal. Excellent. Let's take a few more examples to understand the concept. Now, as you can see here, 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4 का decimal value क्या है? 2.25. Okay. So this is a terminating type of decimal. The next one, जहाँ पे we do not know कहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है and one of the digits is repeating again, it becomes non-terminating and recurring type. Okay. So the decimal form where the numbers are or the decimals are terminating or non-terminating and recurring type are known as rational numbers. ये सबको याद रहेगा? Excellent. One more example. Now here, group of numbers is being repeated, not a single digit, but 3 digits are being repeated continuously, okay? So this type of number is represented in this way, and it is also a rational number. Now we have these numbers on the screen. Try to identify which of them are rational numbers and which are not. Take a look at the first example, okay? 8 is recurring, मतलब ये कौन सा type का हुआ? Non-terminating recurring type. It is a rational number? Yes. Second one, same non-terminating recurring becomes a rational number. Then अभी ये खत्म हो रहा है. It ends after, the decimal ends after the second 6. So this becomes a terminating type of decimal, which is also a rational number. Example number 4, 5, 6, 7. If you take a look at these, they are not ending anywhere and no particular digit is being repeated. No particular digit is being repeated. So such type of numbers, non-terminating and non-recurring type, they are not a rational number. These are not rational numbers, okay? What do we do of these numbers? What are these numbers? Let's take a look in the next slide. Let's just finish this one first. अभी यहाँ पे again 3 digits are recurring, they are repeating, so it is a non-terminating recurring type of a decimal. It is also a rational number. Now the numbers that we left behind which were not a rational number, let's take this forward. Now these are कौन से type के numbers? They are non-terminating and non-recurring type. They are known as irrational numbers. They are known as irrational numbers, okay? Fine. So the decimal part where they are non-terminating and non-recurring are known as irrational numbers. और कुछ है irrational numbers में? Are there any more numbers that can be termed as irrational? Yes. Take a look at square roots of numbers which are not perfect squares. मतलब √2, √3, √5, √6. इसके values अगर निकाले, if you take the values of these numbers, you can have the same type of decimals, non-terminating, non-recurring, okay? So these are your irrational numbers. Let's take a quick recap of everything that we studied abhi tak. Fine. First of all, counting numbers, they are natural numbers. Then we add a 0 to the group, it becomes whole numbers. Negative numbers add kiya, integers. All these together are known as rational numbers. What was the definition of rational numbers? Ratio of integers. Excellent. Integer upon non-zero integer. Okay. Decimal format कैसे थे दोनों के? What were the decimal format? Terminating or non-terminating recurring type. Now the numbers which are not rational were what? They were irrational. Irrational का definition क्या आता है? Decimal form जहाँ पे they are non-terminating and non-recurring type. All these numbers together, the rational plus irrational together are known as real numbers, okay? They are known as real numbers. So this is the entire pyramid of real numbers. That's it for today. Next chapter, next class में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे prime factorization, HCF and LCM, okay? Until then, take care and thank you all.